Yes, student. Now we will discuss about the difference between the while and do while loop. While loop, the loop will not execute at all if the condition is not satisfied. And do while loop, this loop will execute at least once. Second, it check the condition first and then execute the executions begin. And do while loop, it check the condition after executing the loop once. And third point, it known means while loop is known as entry control loop, and do while loop it is known as exit control loop. Okay, now different terms involved in loops. While working with the loops, there are the different type of the loops are working. One is finite loop. Finite loop when the statement run for fixed number of times, then the iteration is called the infinite loop. And these infinite loop are the two types. One is continuous loop and second is the step loop. Okay. Yes, now my dear student, the different terms of the loop. What are the different terms of the loop? The different terms of the loop are the one is finite loop and infinite loop, delay loop, another way of using loop, and next is interconversation of the loop. Infinitive loop is two types. One is continuous loop and second is step loop. Now we will discuss about the continuous loop. What is the continuous loop? Yes, students, continuous loop. In this type of the loop structures, the controls variable is updated. Means maybe in increase or maybe by decrease. Only by one. After each iterations. Okay. Now you can see your example in your book is given for m is equal to 1 and m is less than equal to 10 and m is increased, then open brace body of the loop. So this type of the example, the value of the m is updated, increased by 1. Okay. Now second is the step loop. Step loop means it will jump of the two steps. So it is a system of creating a loop where the control variable is updated, increase or decrease by a given value, okay, other than 1 after each iterations. Okay, you can see the example also. It terminate when the last limit is exceeds. Okay, now example is given in your book in page number I think 168 maybe. You see in your book, my book is page 168. For m is equal to 1, m is less than equal to 10 and m is equal to m plus 2. Okay. Now this type of the looping structure, m increase by the 2 after each iteration. Okay. Now we will discuss about the infinite loop. Okay. Now infinite loop. Infinite loop, this type of the loop can be created by omitting one or more parameters. The set of the statement available within the loop block will get executed infinitely. Means loop construct is called an infinite loop or an endless loop. Means there is no any end of the loop. Loop will be continue. Okay, this is the infinite loop. Okay, now we will discuss about the delay loop or null loop. What is the delay loop or null loop? A loop that does not include any statement to be repeated. A loop that does not include any statement to be repeated is known as null loop. A null loop is used to create a delay in the execution. You can see the example s is equal to s a plus b, and for I is equal to 1 and I is less than equal to 10 and I is increase, and then system dot 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 print ln, then sum of the two numbers. So this example loop will repeat 10 times because the final value of the I is given, I is less than equal to 10. So 10 times without carrying any useful operations. A delay in showing output of the next statement in the program. Okay. Now next is another way of the using of the null loop. Means a semicolon placed after the closing the bracket in a for loop indicate that the loop does not execute any statement. Suppose you will use the semicolon after the loop, so means that loop does not execute any statement or the body of the loop is not available. So a is variable will start 1 and keep 1 changing by unless it exceeds the 10. Next is interconversation of loops. While writing a program, जब हम प्रोग्राम को लिखते हैं तो there is always a flexibility, हमारे पास कुछ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है to choose the type of the loop, कि किस कोई सा भी लूप हम उसमें यूज कर सकते हैं. The basic idea of selection of a loop is to give a simple logic so that its application might be user friendly. तो उसको हम easily we can use. Usually we may need to convert one from to repetitive structure to another from the model our program logic. The conversions of the looping structures are different type of the way. For loop to while loop we can convert, for loop to do while loop, do while loop to while loop, do while loop to for loop, while loop to do while loop, and while loop to for loop. So these are the different type of the interconversation. Now I think you understand what are the different terms of the loop. Okay, thank you.